With our innovative and flexible energy storage solutions, we're offering support for the decarbonization and digitalization of the energy sector, thus ensuring sustainable and interconnected energy supply from renewable sources. We rely on a comprehensive service concept that ranges from design and installation of the battery systems up to competent return and disposal of the batteries. We're at your side, right from the project idea to the implementation. With our core competence in the field of system engineering, you get a tailor-made solution for your use case and your circumstances. Our concept doesn't only cover the design of the battery system, including inverters, transformers and switchgear, but also safety and service concepts, as well as planning of control and regulation structures for the required applications. In the next step, our project team plans delivery and installation of the battery storage together with all components for the complete run of the project. We optimize the implementation on site with regard to local conditions and time constraints. First of all, we take care of the installation and cabling of the battery systems, including the associated components. Then, we commission the system as a whole. Finally, to ensure smooth operation, we integrate the grid control system for regulating and monitoring the energy flow. Our scope of delivery doesn't end with the installation of our large-scale storage systems. We also make sure that they run smoothly and without interruption. Our comprehensive service concept comes in various packages, adapted to your requirements and use cases. Through preventive maintenance, you can rely on our battery storage systems being ready for use at all times. Thanks to our self-developed cloud management system, we can continuously monitor all storage systems and react quickly in the event of a malfunction. Together with our suppliers, we take care of an optimal spare parts management. With our state-of-the-art warehouse in Germany, we can ensure a quick exchange of various components in case of need. In addition to securing hardware components, our data analysis also enables us to continuously monitor and evaluate plant performance. This allows us to regularly optimize operations, so we can monitor energy costs and ensure maximum efficiency.